So this is my before and after price prediction for US 30. I actually was wrong on this one. I'm not afraid to say that I was wrong. I actually was wrong on this one, but I kind of knew I saw it, but I didn't want to accept it. So I was actually wrong on this one, but not completely wrong. But let me tell you what I said that I thought price was going to do, and then let me play the video.
You don't have a market. It could end at a break even, or it could end slightly higher or slightly lower. Based off my back testing, I saw consolidation, and price just consolidating all week because we just had a big push. So I'm just going to go with that. But what I just showed you is that price action could break out on Wednesday, either all the way down, all the way up. But based off my back testing, what I see is that.
So I just said that price action could break all the way down or all the way up on Wednesday. Okay. But I said based on the back testing, I saw it just hugging the weekly opening price. Now, if you take a look at this is not me defending the trade. I'm just saying, like, it did hug the weekly opening price, like I said, all the way up into Thursday. But to be honest with you, when it came down here, I did not see it breaking this Monday to Wednesday range. But that was kind of foolish of me when I actually think about it, because actually down here was an order block down here. Down here was a, what is this? Down here was a bullish order block on the monthly, lowest down close candle. I don't see people marking their charts up this way, but kind of makes sense. So the way I do it is I put bullish order block 1 month and I put lowest down close candle. That's what LDCC mean. That lets me know like it's the lowest down close candle. Because sometimes, as you know, you'll have a rising order block. Anyway, that's just the way I do it. But I didn't see it coming down here, breaking the Monday to Wednesday range. I saw it maybe coming down here and then coming back into the range and just hugging that weekly opening price all week. So when I talked to you and I was about to predict price, we was here. So it did hug Wednesday and Thursday, but I didn't see it coming down here. But it kind of made sense. I should have known better that, like you can see right here, I actually put this annotation on here. I said on the monthly, price has to come back down to this bullish order block. I put that on here, I think before I actually did the prediction video, or I think it was after. So I was thinking to myself, like, price has to come back down here to this opening price. So, and you see it barely touched it right here. That's why this stuff is so, this stuff is amazing to me. But like right here, you see it barely touched the opening price. Because when I zoom in exactly where the opening price is. No ambiguity whatsoever. So it didn't touch it. So it had to come back down here and touch it. See that? So I think this is kind of bittersweet. But to be honest with you, when I go back and look at, when I did my back testing, most of the stuff that I don't, this is based on patterns. That's why you just can't just depend on patterns. The pattern said that it would end in consolidation. But to be honest with you, when I go back and look at the videos, most of the back testing stuff I did, look at this. You see price actually breaking out the Monday to Wednesday range. You see it breaking out lower. You see that? This is most of the back testing stuff that I did. Here's another one, breaking lower. Maybe the same one. This is most of the back testing I did. Price ended the consolidation. This is what I was predicting. Okay. So I just was going to do the whole purge theory all week. And I did make money off the purge, by the way. Let me show you where I did. I did make money off the purge. So what happened is when price came down here and took this low, I immediately went long right here. I immediately went long because I know how this shit works. I back tested it a fucking year and a half ago. So, it's just certain things I'm just going to trust myself, which is the biggest problem with this kind of stuff, with this business. So I went ahead with short right here. I didn't fall for this fake ass move right here. I still held the buy because I knew price had to come up here. Okay. But to be honest with you, when price got here, I got scared and I sold. But I felt bad. Even though I was in profit, I felt bad because me knowing and back testing like a fucking crazy person, literally, I knew that price had to come up here and take this high based on purge theory. Okay. I should have held for this high or this high, right? I should have definitely held for price to come up here. So bittersweet. Thanks for watching. That's the price prediction.